Ladies, taking charge of your sexual health and safety is not something to fear but rather embrace. Making proper preparations, staying vigilant, and ensuring safety are smart moves. They are not just healthy practices but also show your wisdom. In this video, we will discuss the importance of contraception and safe sex practices for women's sexual health. Stepping up to shield yourself and your loved ones from sexually transmitted infections, STIs, like HIV, gonorrhea, or syphilis is an excellent way not only to safeguard your health but also to help your partner stay healthy. In addition, a thoughtful approach to using birth control can assist you in eluding an unexpected pregnancy. The world of birth control is continually evolving. Gone are the days when contraceptive choices were limited. In the present times, you have a plethora of options to avert pregnancy if you're sexually active. You can opt for daily pills, monthly shots, vaginal rings, or intrauterine devices, as per your preference. If you are sexually active or are considering becoming so, it's essential to have an open conversation with your healthcare provider about these birth control options. Remember that your annual health checkup is an opportune time to discuss any lifestyle changes you've made and reassess whether your current birth control choice still suits your needs. If you've been facing unwanted side effects from your birth control method, like dizziness or a decreased sex drive, feel free to work hand in hand with your doctor to find a more suitable contraceptive option. Let's talk about a crucial aspect of our health that many folks tend to overlook: regular testing for sexually transmitted infections, STIs. If you have been sexually active at any point in your life, regular checkups become all the more important. It is because several STIs don't reveal themselves right away. Symptoms may not be known for weeks, or even months or years after the infection takes root. During this silent period, you can pass the infection to your partner without realizing it. The same goes for your partner too. They might be unknowingly carrying an STI and could pass it on to you. So, what's the solution? Regular testing, of course. It's the most reliable way to ensure both you and your partner are free from STIs. And if both of you get tested together, you can be certain of each other's health status. Now, you might be wondering where you can get tested. You can always reach out to your family doctor. They can arrange the test for you. Or, if you'd prefer, you can visit your local health department or family planning clinic. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to our health. So, let's be proactive and make sure to get regularly tested for STIs. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your life. Here's a piece of guidance that we often hear, but it actually holds a lot of value. The most dependable way to avoid unwanted pregnancies and minimize your chances of contracting a sexually transmitted infection, STI, is by correctly using preventative measures such as barrier protection every time you partake in a sexual act. Male condoms are the most popular type of safeguard in this context. However, if your partner prefers not to use a male condom, there's always the option of a female condom. But remember, doubling up on both types of condoms isn't advisable as it can lead to either or both tearing open. If latex allergies concern you or your partner, there's no need to worry. Alternatives such as polyurethane condoms are readily available. There are also natural condoms typically crafted from lambskins. These too can help avoid pregnancy. But it is important to note that they don't offer protection against HIV or other STIs. Fear not, access to condoms is not an issue. They are readily and widely available at most pharmacies, general stores, or even mass market retailers. As a bonus, certain places, like your doctor's clinic or your local health department, may even provide them for free. Openness and honesty are crucial when it comes to your sexual history, preferences, and your choice to engage in safe sex practices. This enables a clear line of communication between you and your partner. It's a vital conversation that allows both of you to share your past sexual experiences, which might involve potential sexually transmitted infections, STIs, or diseases. Remember, not all STIs are curable, making it all the more important for you to use protection to safeguard against contracting any incurable STIs from your partner. Furthermore, discussing your past is a great way to pave the way for discussing getting tested for STIs, ensuring you both have peace of mind. Did you know that sexually transmitted infections, STIs, can be contracted through various forms of intimacy, such as vaginal, anal, and oral sex? What is the surefire way to guard against unplanned pregnancy or catching an STI? Well, it's not having sex at all or, simply put, abstaining. Think about it. Before you decide to get intimate, make sure you're both emotionally charged and physically prepared. It's a big step and not one to be taken lightly. It's also super important to let your partner in on this decision. Why? Because it allows you to have each other's back and gives you an added level of accountability. Holding off sexual intimacy until you're in a committed, one-on-one relationship isn't just a personal choice. It's also a conversation starter with your partner. An open, honest dialogue about the importance of sexual health. So, Believe it or not, your decision to abstain can actually spark healthier and more open discussions about sexual wellness within your relationship. Engaging sexually with various people can increase your chances of contracting a sexually transmitted infection, STI, or becoming pregnant. It's best to limit the number of people you're intimate with. Each new sexual partner carries a past of previous partners, sexual experiences, and possible infections. If you're not committed to one person exclusively, being thoughtful about your sexual activities can help keep you safe. Remember, you can only become pregnant through vaginal intercourse. However, STIs can be transmitted through vaginal, anal, and oral sex. Therefore, protection should be a priority during all types of sexual activities. Tools like male condoms or dental dams can help protect you from contracting an STI, like HIV, during oral sex. During anal sex, male condoms can reduce the risk of STI transmission. Both female and male condoms are effective for vaginal sex, but never use them simultaneously. Also, be mindful of the products you use. Refrain from hastily using a douche or vaginal wash. These items may remove beneficial bacteria that naturally help prevent infections. If you frequently use these washes, you might inadvertently raise your chances of contracting an STI. Always use a lubricant during intercourse. Condoms can tear or rip if there is not sufficient lubrication, which can increase the risk of STI transmission or unintended pregnancy. Lubricants also help to prevent skin tearing during sex, which further enhances safety. So, this is it, ladies. We hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness.